This conference will now be recorded.
So can anyone recall with what we have done in the last class? Is there anyone who are who have attended the class and who are remembered with the last sessions what topic we have been discussed? And I have shared few documents also in the group. So is that everyone were able to open the document? Can anyone confirm me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is that anyone tried? So my next question is that are you people are able to understand what we are doing in the session?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is that anyone is trying out what all the document I'm sharing it? Is it helping you people to do it or replicate what we have done in the session? Or is that everyone are waiting for the recordings what you are going to get it on the next day? So is it because it is getting recorded so no one are ready to share it? Okay. So let me put it to you people that try to solve today's problem from your end. So whoever takes initiative, that's okay. So hope my screen is visible to you people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I've shared this document to you people. It was talking about so Toyota dealership model. So in case if a person is going to purchase with an franchisee of an automobile showroom from Toyota. So is it acceptable franchisee? So you have to check it out that is it they can be able to get the expected rate of return or return on investment. So based on their previous activities, so what all the average sales we can witness in the previous year's sales. So by taking all these examples, so can we be able to make it the expected rate of returns can be driven out of this model or not. So we have to make use of this data and we have to prepare it. As I've said, it is already a predefined the template with you people. So first you try to find out all the values to make the calculation. Okay. So see the document. So here the case study says that Toyota Motors is in a business expansion in India. They are looking for new dealers in India. So Mr. Sham is asking us whether is it right to invest, make use of this opportunity or not. So Toyota has overall 67 dealers across the country. Annual sales for the company in the last year were around 1 lakh cars out of 12 lakh 50,000 cars all over the world comparatively. So with this, Toyota holds a 8% market share. Now it wants to increase with 15%. So when it can happen when there is a more sales. So if I want to make a more sales, definitely it has to expand its business. So do we want to join our ads in expansion of this business? So if we are going to be a part of it, so is it possible to earn the expected rate of returns? So here there is some examples of the sales of their models. And here the business is, it's not buying and selling of a car, it is after selling of car. Here you are not going to buy the car also. You are going to keep that product displayed over there and you are going to sell it. So by selling the product, you are going to earn the commission. So here the earnings, the source of income is commission after the sales. Okay. So give me a minute. I'll just be back. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. So here we have few of the products and it's the value, and if you are going to sell this product at this particular price, you will be earning the commission of particular percentage. Okay. So let us put all this information over there. So hope the screen is visible to you people. So can you reconfirm that that my screen is visible? Can anyone confirm? Is that my screen is
We can,
visible?
yes, sir, we can see a screen.
Yeah. So someone has logged in the name as CRTC8. So please log in with your own name so that you'll get an attendance. So if anyone have been logged in with any others names or with the different names, so it is not easy to find it out who is that. So please rename yourself. You have an option so that you'll be getting the attendance for it. Yeah, fine. So here we are going to specify the information. So Prado we have one number, so which is the price of 30 lakhs. Yeah, and the commission rate is 4%. So Fortuner, we are if in case of sales of 12 and each cost you 22 lakhs and the commission rate is 4%. So there is a product called Camry. So there is a possibility of selling it at one, which is value of 20 lakhs and the commission percentage it's a 4%. So Corolla, so there is a possibility of 10 sales, 10 number sales, and it cost 12 lakhs and the percentage is 3%. So Innova, so it is 15, 10 lakhs and 3%. And Ethios Liva, it is 50, 7 lakh each, and expected commission out of it is 2.5%. Okay, so now what is the earnings out of this? So how much money you are going to earn through this? So this will be equals to, so the number of sales units into the price into what is the commission percentage. So it is going to cost you at 1,20,000. You are going to earn with one sale of Prado car, the 4% commission. It is going to give you at 1,20,000. So the same way for the others. So you can be able to drag it or you can select it and press Ctrl D or double click on it. So you will be able to get the calculation. So the total monthly sales commission what you can earn, it is 39 lakhs 91,000. So this is your earnings, the revenue of the business. Okay. So on this, what all the other things are going to be implemented? So if I want to do this business, the first and foremost thing is requirement. So what is the requirement? So I need a showroom space. So how much showroom space is it required? So the requirement of this is 15,000 square feet of space. So 15,000 showroom space and the godown is 30,000 space. Yes. So for this space to renovate, so how much amount it is going to be costed? So before that, let me see that rent prices. So rent is 150 rupees per square feet per month for the showroom, and the godown wise it is 30 rupees per square feet. Yes, 30 rupees per square feet per month. Okay. So now, how much are you spending it to renovate that particular place to make use of it for the business purpose? So here it says the initial investment for renovation it is 25 lakhs. Yeah. So 25 lakhs. Then the deposit has to be paid for the showroom, that is 6 months rent. So how much is rent per month? So that is equals to 15,000. Okay, that is nothing but you can use it. So the cell reference of showroom into the rent. So this is 1 month's rent. So into 6. So this gives you the deposit amount for the showroom. The same way, go down square feet into the rental for per month into 6 months, that is 54 lakhs. So the total investment what we are going to have it at the initially at the time of starting the business. So that is renovation cost plus showroom deposit plus the go down deposit. So it is going to give you 2 crore 14 lakhs is the initial investment. That is nothing but the capital what you have spent to start your business. Okay. The next. So let us feed up with this all this information. So the next thing is the salary. So the salary it is for one manager it is costing you at 35,000. So this will be 35,000 into how many number of people? Okay. So for one manager it is 35,000. The next for salesperson they pay 25,000 into 3. So per month I am having a 75,000 rupees to be spent for the salesmen. Then for the admin 20,000 into 2. Then the go down in charge will be 12,000 into 3 people. So it will cost you at 36,000. So this is the salary what it is quoted for an employees each. So total cost what we are going to bear it for every month as a salary, it will be the sum of it is 1,86,000. Okay. Now what is the percentage of increment in the salary is every year it is going to increase at 10%. And what is the operations and maintenance cost? So that is 15%. So it is specified here. Operation and maintenance will be increased every year with 15% on the revenue. Okay. So what is the initial funding? So if I see that initially Mr. Sham plans to take a loan from bank only 50% on the total investment. So 2 crore 14 lakhs, in that 50% is the loan, and on that loan the percentage of interest is 13%, and the remaining 50% is equity. So the debt amount what it is raised, it is 1 crore 7 lakhs. So 1 crore 7 lakhs is the debt amount, on that 13% is the interest rate. Okay. So equity raised 1 crore 7 lakhs, 50% debt, 50% equity. Okay. So now we are ready with all this information. So now we are going to do with the transactions. So now I want anyone to take this initiative and give me this, what should be calculated for revenue. So what do you mean by revenue? At least can anyone try to let me know?
That is like the profit that we get from the sales. Sales
Okay.
minus cost, sales value minus cost value is equals to revenue.
We are not talking about profit as of now. We are talking about revenue. Revenue is nothing but the sales value. Okay. Good, you tried. But the revenue is nothing but the sales value itself. What is the sales value? What did we earn through the sales? How much did we earn through the sales? So what is our
So we
earnings
got
over here in this
39,
business? Yeah. So
39
what
lakhs
was
91,000.
very good. So what is this 39 lakhs 91,000 is? So that is nothing but the commission amount what we earned it out of that sales. Okay. So let me put a total monthly sales commission. Okay. So the revenue value will be equals to 39 lakhs 91,000. Yes, that was correct. But is it, can I take it the year one revenue is 39 lakh 91,000 only, or is there anything else I have to add it, subtract it, multiply it, divided it? Anything has to be done? Can I take the revenue of the year is 39 lakhs 91,000 directly? So please observe and try. Observe the value what we are doing it. Shall I
It
take
is
the, yeah,
monthly.
yes, good.
So
So
now we
what we
should
are
take it
supposed to
for
do it?
the whole year.
Very good. So multiplied with 12 months. Okay. So 4 crore 78 lakhs 92,000 is the amount what we can expect it to make a earnings on every, sorry, on the first year. Okay. So now, is there anything else we can expect it? So if you see this, the sales numbers are expected 10% increase per annum in next years. So from the year 2 onwards, we can expect 10% of increase in the earnings. So if there is a sales increase, then obviously the earnings also will get increased. So how do I increase the 10% from the previous year? So can anyone try?
Would we do a year one value plus 10%?
Okay, then then
I don't know, sir. I was just guessing.
okay, fine, no problem. So you are going to select the year one value, multiply, open the bracket. So take it as 1. So when you are going to multiply with the year 1 value with 1, that means it's a previous year value. Plus, you are also calculating the year 1 value with the percentage. With what percentage of increase? That is 10%. So year 1 value plus year 1's value is 10%. So both you are going to calculate it so that you are going to get it the amount in this way. So that is 5 crore 26 lakhs 81,200. Okay. So can you repeat it once again what we did now so that I can understand that you have understood?
The year 2 value,
Good.
open bracket,
So
1
multiply.
plus,
Multiply.
yes, sir, multiply,
Multiply. Good. 1
open bracket,
plus.
1 plus 10%.
Very good. So can you repeat it again? Can you repeat it once again?
Yes, sir. Year 3 value into brackets open, 1 plus 10%, close it.
Very good. Okay. Hope this is going to make you to remember for the long time. Okay. So I'll just drag this. So if you see this, it will be taken the previous year value into 1 plus 10% in the bracket. Okay. Yes. So year on growth, it is going to be 10%. Right. So now, what is the rent it is going to be charged? What is the rental value of a showroom? So the values are available on your screen. So please try and let me know how to calculate this value. So is that found out? So what could be the rental amount for this year one?
So would it be year one value into 150 into 12, sir?
Year one value, that is 150 into,
So because rent for showroom it is 150 for month, right? We are
yes,
doing it for a year, so into 12.
okay.
I'm
So is
not
it
sure what
1000?
it is.
Fine, fine. So you are half of it, you are uh, correct. But you should see that 150 is for what? So can you see 150 anywhere in the screen, which you are able to see it?
Sir,
So can you see a rental for showroom as 150 anywhere in the screen?
it's on the left, sir.
On the left hand side, right? After 150, what it is written, can you just try to read out?
Rupees per square feet for month.
Uh, so 150 is for 1 square feet. So are you using 1 square feet of showroom space?
No, sir, we are using more than that.
What is that? How much?
It is 15,000 square feet.
Yes. So 15,000 square feet. So now 150 into 15,000 square feet makes 1 month's rent. So now multiply with 12. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now if you see how much the rent is, so that is 2 crore 70 lakhs rupees is the rent for the showroom. So now, is it going to get increased every year with the rent or not? Let us see. So here it says 15,000 square feet, 150 per square feet per month. So here we don't find it anything increase in the price. So it remains the same value for all the years. Okay. So I'll take it the same value for all the years. Okay. So this was for rental of showroom. Same thing, can you try for the rental of godown?
So would it be equals to 30,000 into 30 into 12?
Good. Okay. So this remains the same for all the years. But always try to bring it with the references. Okay. Rather putting the value, you can put it with the references. That is equals to, so I'll put it this reference into into 12, and here also I'm going to put it. So just give me a minute. Yeah, hope the screen is visible for you all. So we are going to calculate it with the cell references. I'll tell you what is the reason why it is mandatory to take it with the cell reference as much as possible. Okay. So here also I have taken it as a 10%. So this one also I'll just take it with this reference. So everything it goes with the references. Okay. Yes. So now the salaries values. So how much salaries we have been calculated per month. So this is going to be 1,86,000, which you are going to spend it every month into the 12 months. So it is 22 lakhs 32,000. So on this we are going to have a increment. So every year there is an increment of 10%, and this 10% is fixed. So when I want to fix it, freeze it, what is shortcut key we use it?
F4.
Very good. So press F4. Okay. So sorry. Again here I'm supposed to take it the previous year into, open the bracket, 1 plus 10%, and this remains the same for all the years. Yes. So now the value has been increased from the previous year, and this is going to be the values. So the next one is operations maintenance. So this will be fixed on whatever the revenue on that year into the percentage. 15% will be charged. So this is going to be fixed. So every year 15% on what they earn it. Okay. So now finally you are supposed to calculate with operating profit. So that is nothing but EBIT. So what is the formula for EBIT calculation is revenues minus the sum of all expenses. So what are the expenses we have? So this is what the value is. So operating profit. Okay. So I'll repeat it once again. The revenue value minus total of all these expenses have been given you the EBIT value. So now on this, what is the interest expense? So here, what we are having it, the interest amount on this loan. So it is said that 50% of the total investment with the interest of 13%. So here also, if you see that we don't find the debt schedule to be created, only the interest expense it has been asked. So let me calculate the interest percentage. So on what? So the debt amount is 1 crore 7 lakhs. So this is going to be fixed. So there is no change in this loan amount into what is the percentage interest rate. So, and this also remains the same for all the years. So this is going to be the interest amount. So the same interest amount is applicable for all the years. So now the profit before tax, it is going to be equals to EBIT value minus the interest expense value. Okay. So here there is a loss for the year. Okay. So when I am going to calculate it for the other years, I don't find it loss. Only the first year it is a loss. So in this case, when I have a loss, I'm not supposed to pay the tax. So I'm going to keep it the tax amount as zero, and on the other values, I'm going to calculate the. So tax is 35%. Okay. So let me give it. Okay, I'll just add it over here. Tax at 35%. Yeah. So in this case, I'm going to bring on this value into this. I'm going to freeze it. So finally, the net profit. So for this year one, it is going to be loss, and the rest of the years, it is going to run it with the profit. Okay. So this is how the calculations of an income statement we prepare it. So now we are going to prepare it with cash flow calculations. So cash flow statement. So by taking a previous references, so please tell me at least with this. So you can check it out with my previous uh, problem which we have done it on the pharmacy model. So please refer that and let me get to know that what you have understood with that cash flow statement and give me the answers over here. So I'll take a 5 minutes of break and get back. Yeah, thank you all for being online. Hope you people remember what I've said to you. Have you all referred the previous cash flow calculations of pharmacy model? Is that anyone tried? Okay. So at least can you read out this and try to find it out what is the values? Is there anyone online?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Jaishnu. So can you just try to let me know what are the values we have to bring it over here, which is already available in this sheet. So what is this operating cash flows or net profit value?
Yes, sir. Net profit value 7,14,800.
Yes, so we have to connect these values. So this is from the year one. Okay. So income statement get prepared from the year one onwards. Cash flow statement and balance sheet will get prepared from year zero onwards. Okay. So year zero it is zero. Next, initial investment. So this initial investment it is of how much value? So equals to the total capital of this business is 2 crore 14 lakhs, but it is minus 2 crore 14 lakhs because we have invested. The money has gone out of the business. So it will be in minus. Okay. Now, how much did we take a loan? So how much loan did we take it? So that is the debt raised is 1 crore 7 lakhs. The amount has come to the business. At the same time, this amount has to be paid at the end of the fifth year. The same value, but it is minus because the amount is going out of our hand. Okay. So now at the end of the fifth year, the deposit amount, whatever it is there, it has to be refunded. Okay. So this value is only for the last year. So what are the amounts we have deposited? That is, we have deposited 6 months rent for the showroom, plus we have deposited go down 6 months rental. So totally 1 crore 89 lakhs it has been refunded. Okay. So now we are going to get to know what is the total cash flow. So equals to the sum of all the values available in the cash flow statement and the same values for all the other years. So finally the IRR value will be equals to IRR, select all the cells and accept it. So the IRR rate is 30.23%. So here what we were expected from this, it was the 20% of return rate of return. So where it has crossed the 20%, so that means it is an approachable model for the business person, Mr. Shah. Okay. So now here it is also said that in case if the debt percent was something else, that is debt percent as of now it is a 50% with the interest rate of 13%. So what could be the assumed values in case if it is a 10%, 11%? So here we are going to calculate it. So this value will be equals to what the IRR rate we have it. So on this we are supposed to calculate it, the other values. Okay, so this we are going to try it, this table. So select the whole table and we are going to take a feature of data what if analysis. Suppose if this is the values, so what could be the percentages we could have been get it. Okay, so here we are supposed to go for data table. So here it is asking that what is the rate of interest, that is row. So here the rate of interest it is given as 13% and the column wise it is debt. So I'll click on OK. So this is what the percentages we can be able to get out of it. Okay. So with every percentages, when there is a increase or decrease, so there will be change in the IRR expectations. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to find with this. So now we have few questions over here. So what is the total investment required for this business? So the answer is 2 crore 14 lakhs. Okay. What is the internal rate of return if the debt percentage was 60%? So the internal rate of returns when it was a 60% with the rate of interest of 13, it is 33.83%. The next, what will be the cash available at the beginning of the fourth year? So the cash flow amount for the fourth year is this one. So when it is said that it is, this is at the end of the fourth year, you are going to have this value. So when it is set as beginning, then it will be the previous year closing balance value. Okay. So this is the opening value. How much of equity was raised? It is 1 crore 7 lakhs. And what is the revenue of the third year? The revenue value is 5 crore 79 lakhs 49,320. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to find out the values for this question. And one more thing is, when you people are going to try, if these values are not coming properly, so then this could be the reason, because of if you are not brought the references properly, if you have been calculated just by putting the numbers, so in that cases it does not gives a proper calculated values over here. Okay, so make sure that you are going to do the proper referencings. For that reason only we have been having it separate columns of data to bring it, so that you can be able to refer it while making the preparation of income statement and cash flow statement. So if you are going to do it all these things in a proper way, then these values will be fed in a proper way. Okay, so make sure that you are going to practice it once again on your end. Okay, I'll share this document now, so please follow with this. Okay, so in the next session we are going to start with the another uh, a kind of a project problem. So at least by the next session you are going to get prepared with this, the simple two kinds of models what we have tried. So try with this so that it will be easy to understand with the next one. Okay, so we are going to try add it with the few things newly. So hope it was informative. Please check it out once again. Okay, so thank you all. Have a wonderful time.